Which countries are investing more in fire protection services? Wildfires have been hitting the EU particularly hard recently. In 2025, nearly 1 million hectares have gone up in flames. That's nearly half the size of Sicily and over 3 times last year's total. Spain, Portugal, France, Italy, Greece and the Balkans suffered the worst damage. Across the EU, there are almost 400,000 firefighters on duty. Germany has the biggest force, then France, Poland and Italy. The highest rate compared to the size of the job market, however, is in Croatia, with Greece following second. In terms of money, however, it's Romania that leads the way. Its government allocates nearly 1% of its budget to fire protection services, followed by Estonia and Greece. The countries with the lowest budgets are Denmark, Malta, Portugal and Austria. The average across the EU is 0.5% on a total of 40 billion euros spent.